Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to post full size photo on Instagram. So open your Instagram app and tap to post and tap to post any random photo like this. So there is no fit it in full size photo. There's option to crop it. So we'll go to download it in show tab on your Play Store or iOS. So once you will download, so click to photos and add to new. So click to this photo what you have to post. So first one, go to canvas and click to Instagram logo. So this is will be full size photo, so download it. So go back to your Instagram app and again cut it and reposting. So this is will be full photo size to post on Instagram. So click to next. So it will be loading and add any caption and share it. So now it will be full size post photo on Instagram. It will be shared. Finishing up. So this is how to post full size photo on Instagram. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.